Hi, this is Mrs. Ducharme, and I'm going to talk with you a little bit about creating your Works Cited page. And so we're going to be starting off at the library website, and the page we're going to be using, first of all, is the citation help page. And we're going to go to the guide, and we're going to be looking at the MLA Works Cited page. And we're going to follow these steps here. The other thing that we're going to be using for this, because I'm going to pretend to be doing some research, is the research find information page. And we'll be using some of these resources. I also have open a Google Doc where I'm going to be pasting the citations that I find. You're probably doing that along the way as you take your notes. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is start finding some resources. I know that if I don't want to do a lot of extra citation work, the easiest resources for me to use are the databases. So when I go into the Find Information page, I can choose any of these to do my research in, and I just want to show you some of the common ones. So this is EBSCO's History Reference Center, and I found an article that I want for my paper. I choose Cite over here on the side. I go down to MLA, grab it, and paste it into my source list. I'm not even going to worry about formatting or anything right now. Okay, I did that one. I want to find something in JSTOR. This one looks good. I want it. I'm going to cite it. And here's the MLA citation right here. I just grab it, copy it, and paste it into my sources. I also really like opposing viewpoints. This is the Gale database. This is the one I want. I'm going to go to Citation Tools. I choose up here the kind I want. I'm choosing MLA 8, the most recent one, and I'm copying and pasting it in. Okay, those are all different fonts, formats, so forth. It doesn't matter. I'm just keeping track of what I found so far. Okay, so I've skipped all of these steps. I didn't have to make any citations. They were there for me. If I find, however, a website and it has information that I want to use, I do have to do the citation myself. So I'm going to copy the link, and I'm going to show you how to do it in EasyBib. EasyBib is probably one of the most common ones that we use. MLA 8 I'll choose, and I'm going to put in the address, and it will find as much as it can for me. So I'll choose Cite This. Now here's the important part. It tells you what it found and what it hasn't found, and now we're going to fill in as much as we can. So we're constantly going back to the original page. Okay, so it found the name of the article, it found the name of the author. The name of the website is the same as the name of the article, so I just want to make sure that I can't do better. I'm going to go ahead and add this, a history in documents, here, because I don't think it's here. Okay, so I'm going to add that here, a history, in documents, as the title, just to distinguish a little bit between the title of the article and the title of the website. Now for a publisher or sponsor for a website, I'm looking for who put this information out there. I have National Security Archive here at the bottom, which is also the name of the website up here. So I'm going to put that in. National Security Archive. There's the URL. The date that it was published, let's see if I can find that. Here we go. It says right here, November 4th, 2002. So the 4th of November 2002. The date accessed is there, and I filled in everything I need to. So I choose Create Citation. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and copy it and put it into my document. Okay, so on my checklist, I've done everything I can. I've pasted my citations into my document. Now I'm going to proofread. To proofread, I'm going to make this all so that there's nothing highlighted, because that's kind of annoying. So I'll say no highlight. And I'm going to make it all the same font, Arial 12. And now I'm just going to go through and see if it looks okay. Okay, so here I have author, first name, last name. I have the name of the article. This is duplicated, Cold War history and Cold War history. I'm going to take this out. I don't need that part in brackets there. Cold War history, blah, 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 that's fine. EBSCO host, here's the name of the link. Okay, here I have the name of the article, that's fine. Remember, these are ones that I took from the database. I can still make changes if I want. Okay, good. And this is the one from EasyBib, and that looks fine. Okay, so I have done this. I've proofread. Now I'm going to alphabetize, and I'll show you quickly how to do the reverse indenting. Okay, so Evans, that's going to move up here. And B, D, D, E, oh, this one, sorry, Etardum comes up here. Okay, and now I'm going to double space the whole thing. The whole thing has to be double spaced. So I'm going to do line spacing double. And I'm going to take out these blank spaces in between because there should be no empty lines. I'm going to call it a Works Cited, just like that. And now I'm going to do my reverse indenting. I'm going to highlight these, and I'm going to drag the bottom arrow over and the top rectangle back. And now I have my Works Cited page done.